It's neat. It looks like you can go right through those tunnels to the other side and see the walls. But we want to go down here and see that gate, which looks really cool. And you want to rest your toesies. Poor guy, wearing his fancy posh shoes and hurting his feet.
I wonder how much of said blog will include me just whinging about my shoe selection.
You can go through there too.
Yeah. Pretty neat.
Yeah, looks pretty cool. St. John's Gate. This is the St. John's Gate. I just read a sign that told me that. It also reminds me of Chester too, in the walls.
Yeah.
Wow. It's pretty cool. So neat when you get a city wall gate to yourself to do a wrap take.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's go adventure a little more. We're now battling the sun because it's gonna go down soon. It's only like, what, 3 o'clock?
It is. Yeah, it's exactly 3 o'clock.
It's 3 o'clock and it's already getting pretty dark. Canada. And there's one really cool building I wanted to see in here. And then we can go down the thing.
Sounds good.
Back down on the old streets. The old streets. Is this St. Louis, I believe, street? I love how everything's set up for Christmas.
Yeah.
Even though it's barely after Halloween. And Remembrance Day is this week. All the times we travel, we get a crest from the country we go to. So we figured we'd get a crest from Quebec. And we found them, so those will be going on our bags pretty soon.
Yeah, usually we get the country's flag, unless it's Hogwarts or Quebec.
Yeah. I also have one for Algonquin Park, because it's as big as many countries, so we'll have to show you our backpacks at some point. And a big school bus. But it's still pretty. It's a very expensive restaurant, but this house was built in 1677. It's pretty cool. Oh, here's a grocery store. I'm gonna propose something that might be cheeky and illegal. Do you want to go grab some beers in there and put them on your backpack?
Sure, should I?
Cool.
Everything's quite beautiful.
Yeah. Let's look over here with the other spire.
Yeah.
I love little town squares. They make me feel so European.
Yeah, I like the hand we have over here. And the hand.
This is the Cathedral of the Holy Trinity, built in 1800. All interior places are closed though. I've seen, they all say "fermé," which just sounds so fermé. Looks like this is going to be a Christmas market of some sort. There is, of course, the giant winter festival, but I think it's too early for that. So it's likely that these are for Christmas, I would think.
Sure.
This is the Basilic, Notre-Dame. Would have been cool to go in there too, but you know. So these are the alternative to taking the funicular. They are called the Breakneck stairs, which I think you're just going to break your feet, not your neck.
I always say to people, especially for people,
Haven't broken my neck yet. Well, this is a cool little pub. And this is the funicular. So you can take the funicular up and down if you'd like, or you can take the stairs we just took. Hey, you didn't break your neck.
No.
Or your leg.
No.
Which
Nice,
is
yeah.
tragic. Maybe that guy did. Maybe he did on the stairs. This is Petit Champlain. I believe it's like an artisan-owned street. Like it's partially owned by like a collective of artists. And that's the funicular right there. So if you don't want to walk, you can go up there.
Oh, that's such a short distance.
Yeah. Ah. Look at that little tree. Not much room, but it's really flourishing. Beautiful. I like how it's all very starting to be Christmassy.
Yeah.
I know I've said that about 100 times, but it's beautiful.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
Yeah. Cool little.
That's the Christmas market vibe you've always wanted to do.
Yeah. I would love to go to anywhere in Europe for Christmas, for a Christmas market, but my stinky workplace is busy at Christmas. Look at lapin. That's sad because they eat the lapin. But they're cute.
Sooner be friends.
I'd sooner be
Now
friends.
it's Christmas.
Whoa. That's Christmas. Look at the little piggy. It's getting very Christmassy. Have you sent your letter to Santa yet? Gabby said that that's why she wanted our addresses, because she wanted to forward it to Santa Claus. Did you know?
Oh.
I love all the Christmas trees. When are they gonna light up the Christmas trees? Little alleyways. They're so cute. Those remind me of Edinburgh for sure. This place is apple cider for sale. And behind you, so cool.
Yeah. Really cool little street.
There's actually quite a few murals apparently, but this is the first one we found, eh? It's like a cross section. Christmas going on over there. And there's some more murals down here.
Hello.
I'm going for a bit of a picnic here. I got myself a sandwich. You got yourself a croissant.
Same.
Yeah. And you got a Sison? It's Megadeth Sison?
Flavored.
Yeah.
Tastes just like Dave Mustang.
Here, take the camera. That's really hoppy. Delightful.
Yeah.
I am super stoked. Ever since I went to Spain quite a while ago, didn't bring this guy with me. I've been trying to find cider that's as dry as like the northern Spanish cider. I didn't realize when I bought this it's called bone dry, but it is the driest cider I've ever had, so like no sweetness at all. Perfect.
Lucky